In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use buck converter block in your model. Okay, I'll give you detailed explanation of buck converter block. For buck converter block, you have to browse library and then under Simscape electrical specialized power system, you will see buck converter under power electronics. This is a buck converter block, and the plus and minus indicates the input. Okay, here in buck converter, DC voltage source will be our input. Now I'm connecting this, and our input will be like 280. Okay, and I'm setting ground here. Sorry. Okay, and we need power V block, and the buck converter gate input, we need a pulse generator block. Type pulse generator, you'll see under Simulink sources. Here I'm connecting this, and period like switching frequency 1000 is enough, and I'm taking pulse width at 80. Click OK, and we need series RLC branch. Okay, connect here, and I will use it as a filter, and inductance value like 10A minus 3, and I'm taking another branch as a load R. Okay, and you have to take the ground here. Okay, and we need voltage measurement block. Okay, and we need a scope, and this voltage will measure the output of the buck converter, and I'm taking another block after using the filter. Okay, this voltage will measure the output after using filter. Okay, and here in parallel we need another block C, and C value like 100E minus 5. Okay, we have to connect it in parallel. Okay, now we can take a mean block which is present under electrical specialized power system to see the average value of the output of the buck converter, and we need a display block. Okay, here BL is used for using the block the firing pulses, so we don't need to any connection here. We can you can set it as 0, and that's it. We can set our stop time. Now run this model. You can see our input was 280 and output is at 2 volt. Okay, and if you see here, you can see a constant output. Okay, and if we set it as stop time as 5 seconds, you will clearly see this is our output. Okay, and we are giving DC voltage, and after buck converter you can see, and if we reduce the pulse width as 10. Okay, now you can see the voltage level should decrease. Yes, it is, a voltage level is decreased here. So this is the way you can utilize buck converter in your model. If this video helped you, please subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.